Hi there and welcome to Year 6 English, and in this particular task we're looking at clauses in complex sentences. So a clause is a group of words that describe an event or a particular situation. Complex sentences contain more than one clauses. They often contain a main clause and a subordinate clause. So the main clause makes sense just on its own. The subordinate clause adds extra information but would not make sense on its own, and some information that we don't necessarily always need. So let's have a look at this sentence here. So it was cold, so I wore a coat. So the main clause here is it was cold, and the subordinate clause here is so I wore a coat. So the first question example that we have here shows us which is the main clause in the sentence. So who is that knocking at the door? So the main clause here will be who is that. Knocking at the door will actually be a subordinate clause. A subordinate clause adds extra information but does not make sense by itself. Have a go at these particular questions. There's 15 questions altogether in this task. Thank you.